Gears and transmissions obviously have to take massive loads. You end up with gears with teeth meshing, very high point forces acting on those gear teeth. Critical to making sure those gears last is making sure a lubrication film is still in place when those teeth mesh. So to be able to do that, the gear oil has to be precise. It has to be matched correctly to the gear and to the operating conditions that those gears will be seeing.
Fundamentally, JCB gear and transmission oils have a blend of quality base oils with JCB approved additive packs, and these additive packs provide anti-wear components. They ensure that there's no metal to metal contact, and they make sure that there is no wear and tear within the gears and within transmissions, within drivetrains.
A gear oil which is not properly matched to the transmission that you're using it in, the contact stresses that you'll get between those gear teeth will be too high.
We can get metal to metal contact, we can get gear teeth that misalign, and in worst case scenario gear teeth can actually break. And of course, once you get debris within the system, that can have catastrophic results.
Transmission seizure, shafts shattering, casings cracking, again, catastrophic failure of a transmission. Engine oils don't just affect the metal components. There are other materials within the engine and transmissions that are affected by oil that see this oil. One of the primary components are seals. A transmission's designed to have a certain amount of oil in it to keep it operating. As soon as a seal leaks, that oil is then lost from the transmission. It stops lubricating, and at some point that transmission will seize.
JCB transmission and gear oils have to pass tests before they become part of the design process of all JCB systems. We have the copper test, which is literally just a test of corrosion. So we compare JCB oil on copper, and then we compare that to another oil on copper and see the effect of corrosion on that strip.
The decay oxidation test is another test that we perform on oils to look at corrosion resistance and how that oil oxidizes, how it deteriorates over time and its effect on metal components, very similar to the copper strip test.
Once we have selected the finest oil that we can find, we then put those into the JCB transmission and gear systems to ensure that we get the best performance from our machines.
JCB oil is made, it's blended, it's got the additives in to allow for winter or summer use. So it's tested, it's tested in the extremes of temperature.